Hi, welcome to NCERT CBSE Class 6 History, Chapter 6 Kingdoms, Kings and an Early Republic. And in this video, we will learn every point in the section Elsewhere. This comprises 21 questions. Question 1. The city of Athens is in dash. The options are India, Turkey, Greece, Italy. Your time to choose. And the answer is Greece. So, the city of Athens is in Greece. Next question. The people of Athens in Greece set up a form of government called dash. The options are a monarchy, a theocracy, a dictatorship, a democracy. Your time to choose. And the answer is a democracy. So, the people of Athens in Greece set up a form of government called democracy. Question 3. The people of dash in Greece set up a form of government called democracy. The options are Rome, Athens, Macedonia, Constantinople. Your time to choose. And the answer is Athens. So, the people of Athens in Greece set up a form of government called a democracy. Question 4. Around dash years ago, the people of Athens in Greece set up a form of government called a democracy. The options are 1300, 2300, 2500, 3500. Your time to choose. And the answer is 2500. So, around 2500 years ago, the people of Athens in Greece set up a form of government called a democracy. Question 5. The form of government called a democracy in Athens lasted for about dash years. The options are 100, 200, 300, 400. Your time to choose. And the answer is 200. So, the form of government called democracy in Athens lasted for about 200 years. Next question 6. Dash were recognized as full citizens. The options are all free men over the age of 18, all free men over the age of 21, all free men over the age of 30, all free men and women over the age of 30. Your time to choose. And the answer is all free men over the age of 30. So, all free men over the age of 30 were recognized as full citizens. Question 7. All free men over the age of 30 were recognized as dash. The options are full citizens, partial citizens, residents, subjects. Your time to choose. And the answer is full citizens. So, all free men over the age of 30 were recognized as full citizens. Question 8. dash decided on important matters. The options are wise men, a king, an assembly, an oracle. Your time to choose. And the answer is an assembly. So, an assembly decided on important matters. Question 9. An assembly which met dash decided on important matters. The options are at least 10 times a year, at least 20 times a year, at least 35 times a year, at least 40 times a year. Your time to choose. And the answer is at least 40 times a year. So, an assembly which met at least 40 times a year decided on important matters. Question 10. Dash could attend the assembly in which important matters were decided. The options are all citizens, all free persons over the age of 30, everyone, all slaves. Your time to choose. And the answer is all citizens. So, all citizens could attend the assembly in which important matters were decided. Next question 11. Appointments for many positions were made through dash. The options are voting, lottery, fighting, discussion. Your time to choose. And the answer is lottery. So, appointments for many positions were made through lottery. Question 12. All those who wanted to be chosen gave dash. The options are their names, their family history, their societal class, stories of their skills. Your time to choose. And the answer is their names. So, all those who wanted to be chosen gave their names. Next question. Citizens were expected to dash. The options are give names for positions, contribute money to society, vote, serve in the army and the navy. Your time to choose. And the answer is serve in the army and the navy. So, citizens were expected to serve in the army and the navy. Question 14. Dash were not considered citizens. The options are women, women and slaves, children, women, children and laborers. Your time to choose. And the answer is women and slaves. So, women and slaves were not considered citizens. Question 15. Dash did not have rights as citizens. The options are merchants of Athens, laborers in Athens, foreigners who lived and worked in Athens, A and C. Your time to choose. And the answer is foreigners who lived and worked in Athens. So, foreigners who lived and worked in Athens did not have rights as citizens. Question 16. Foreigners who lived and worked in Athens as dash did not have rights as citizens. The options are merchants, craftspersons, merchants and craftspersons, merchants, craftspersons and laborers. Your time to choose. And the answer is merchants and craftspersons. So, foreigners who lived and worked in Athens as merchants and craftspersons did not have rights as citizens. Question 17. There were dash in Athens. The options are several thousand slaves, few merchants, several kings, several thousand laborers. Your time to choose. And the answer is several thousand slaves. So, there were several thousand slaves in Athens. Question 18. The several thousand slaves in Athens worked in dash. The options are mines, households and fields, workshops, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, the several thousand slaves in Athens worked in mines, households and fields, and workshops. Question 19. Slaves were not treated as dash. The options are residents, citizens, subjects, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is citizens. So, slaves were not treated as citizens. Question 20. Was Athens a true democracy? The options are yes, no, perhaps yes, perhaps no. Your time to choose. And the answer is no. So, Athens was not a true democracy. Question 21. Athens was not a true democracy because dash. The options are there was no voting to elect positions, women and slaves were not citizens, women and slaves were not allowed to attend assemblies, all of these. Your time to choose. And the answer is all of these. So, Athens was not a true democracy because there was no voting to elect positions, women and slaves were not citizens, women and slaves were not allowed to attend assemblies. Okay, so in this video, we learned every point in the section elsewhere. In the next video, we will learn every point in the section let's recall. I'll see you there.